Here's my legal take on the road rage in Orange County, New York, which involves a Kingston police officer. He's an officer right in the city where I live and work. This is an issue of self-defense. Like that's the legal issue that arises when you watch this video and hear about this news story. Was the off-duty Kingston police officer justified in discharging his weapon and this person? Clearly, the evidence is yes, he was. I assume that the other individual had a knife. I mean, that must be the case if there are no charges here. So the issue of self-defense is governed by the penal law and the criminal procedure law. It's not an easy defense to make. The prosecution actually has the obligation to disprove self-defense. The officer opens his window and the guy assaults him in the vehicle. And so was he justified? Apparently the investigators think so. The level of force used to defend yourself must be commensurate with the level of force being used against you. I assume this officer has a good history with the force. He's probably not a problem. Now, the other thing is provocation, right? Because there's this witness that sort of suggests that the officer may have provoked it with the road rage. I think that the moment the other guy stops the car on the road and gets out, we've gone from like phase one of the road rage to an entirely different scenario. And by getting out of the car, he now is the individual who's doing the provocation. So I don't think that there's an argument that the officer provoked this. Some people, I think, believe that the prosecutors should have brought it to the grand jury and let the grand jury decide whether or not there's enough to go on. I don't think that's appropriate here. The prosecution gets to determine whether or not there's like enough evidence to go forward. And they clearly think there's not. The guy didn't. I think that this is the right call. It's an unfortunate road rage situation. That's my take on the whole thing.